As the commercial world gets more compact, opportunities to do business overseas multiply. Professor Richard Harris stated that companies newly involved in international trade gain a 34% increase in productivity within their first year. The UK is certainly one of the most attractive countries to trade within. For example, according to the Chambers of Commerce, China is one of the Northwest's biggest destinations for exports at £1.6 billion after the USA and Germany. London is actually the world's largest foreign exchange market, with a daily turnover of over $2.2 trillion. This makes it 41% of the global market, more than double that of the next largest, New York, at 19%. As a commercially savvy law firm, our international trade team works with global companies as well as UK companies with global connections. Companies locate to the UK so that they can access new or existing customers, do business in countries across Europe, develop new products, and find new suppliers and partners. Areas of concern can include distribution agreements, agency agreements, joint ventures, and commonly cross-border disputes. For example, failure to agree terms at contractual stage and failures to check letters of credit thoroughly on receipt can cause delays and losses within trading. There is also the danger of payment problems, where using different methods can expose you to financial risk. And finally, contractual disputes, where disagreements may arise between parties such as distributors and representatives. Now, the practical side of things can include export documentation, insurance, customs entry, export licensing, finance and shipping. So, what are the major legal concerns for your business when trading in the UK? One of them is customs and excise. HM Revenue and Customs use commodity codes found in the UK Integrated Trade Tariff to classify individual products for import-export declarations and intra-stat returns. HM Revenue and Customs can fine you, seize your goods, and delay their release from customs if you use an incorrect code or license. Now, another important aspect of international trading is drafting and reviewing agreements and contracts on international sales of goods, technology transfer, and other legal matters. For example, shipping problems can occur if details are not spelled out plainly. Monarch Solicitors represent domestic and foreign clients in proceedings involving anti-countervailing, anti-dumping, safeguarding, and other trade protective measures against the European Union, the US, China, and other countries as well as the UK. Our lawyers do not compromise on the quality of service that we deliver. We understand that each client has their own specific requirements and preferences, so we offer a bespoke quality service. Unlike many other solicitors, Monarch do not use a factory line system, in which the majority of the work is carried out by unqualified lawyers. In addition to our high level of service, we will ensure to give you an informed and transparent picture of the process in which you will go through. You can have peace of mind in the fact that you are being handled by an experienced and qualified solicitor who is dedicated to your needs. We only promise what we can deliver. We offer competitive pricing for a high standard of service to avoid unnecessary complication. If you want any further information, please do not hesitate to get in touch.